Alright guys, we got a video for you today. Yeah, we got MW3 in the mail. I think it's pretty well packaged. I'm so excited. Let's see. Wait, we gotta get out of this box first. Alright. Looks like another box. Oh. Alright, we got the box here for you. Another box. Looks like we got it right here. Get this boy out. This bad boy. Shit. Alright, there it is. So we don't need that. Alright, so we got the Xbox right here. Oh yeah, 'cause we got the limited edition. Damn! Oh my. Look at that. I don't know what that is. Must be like shit dick. I'll call about that. Alright, oh, we got the actual game for you, Modern Warfare 3. I've been getting a lot of questions if Ghost is back. Well, I guess Ghost is back. Can't wait. Alright, let's check out the box. Oh, it looks like EA actually made the game this year. EA. Got 2 discs, I guess. One for multiplayer and co-op. And we got a single player and campaign. Oh, wait, single player campaign. Alright. There we go. And we got my friend here, he's repping the shirt we got with the limited edition. He just snuck it out. You really get a bang for your buck this year. And
yeah, you really do. Like, if you just invest that extra $1 or so, it really changes your whole MW3 experience for this year.
Yeah. Like, look at that.
They definitely up their game.
That's priceless. Even one thing's ripped. That's how good it is. Yeah, just put that back up there. Yeah.
This shit 100% cotton.
Yeah, I'm just saying, really get a bang for your buck this year. Yeah, if you want the $350 on eBay, you can get it. Or we're having a giveaway because this Xbox is probably the coolest Xbox I've ever seen in my life. So yeah, just comment on our video. We're picking a random comment, and then you'll get this in your mail by Monday. Yeah. Well, see ya.